Come on.
I need intelligence data.
They've been able to push because... Oh, don't tell me my bloody... I ain't gonna make it over. Yep, not gonna make it.
Engine boost deactivated.
So we forced them into actually... It can be very sensible. It's a bit of a pain in the ass a lot of the time. But it's what I need to look after my stream, because I can't mod it and play at the same time. Damn it.
Our victory is in sight.
Dead.
Enemy cruiser detected. Spotter airborne.
Yeah, we've been having... Lots of people have been putting the codes in today, which is really good. Really helpful. Oh, Photog. What was that? Maybe I will be playing a little bit longer today. Dead Cat's just about to jump in. Now, is he going to beach?
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
Oh, Photog, I'm not sure what happened there.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Oh no! Damn. Out of range of everybody. I'll be on for a couple more games, Kat, if you're gonna jump in. I've had that Baltimore on toast otherwise. Damn. Terrible timing. There we go. It's a win. Well, I think it definitely helped that a dev struck their carrier. I'm sorry about that, Photog. Why has it done that? I'm sorry about that, Photog. I'm not sure how to... I'll put them up. It'll probably turn me off. See, all the codes that have come out. Why won't it let me do it now? Interesting. It won't let me do my own codes. I'll post in my own thing. Copy. Well, let me post it. Just let me see if it'll do less. Do half of them. Nope. That's really silly. And let me do it from other... Yeah, sorry about that, Photog. It shouldn't have done that. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't usually do this. Please ignore it. Don't watch what I'm doing right now. But occasionally I do look up people. I'm not doing any stat shaming. How are you, Stampy? Oh, he's a lot better player than I am. And the Japanese. Holy shit. No wonder. Okay, alright. What did I take off the... I absolutely bitch slapped the Indomitable. That's funny. Yeah, it's a seal clubber. See, I'll be fair. All fair in love and war. These are my stats. I'm more than happy for people to look my stats up. I'm a 50%. I'm an average player at best. So, I'm happy for people to look at that. I'm very much a battleship player. So, anyway, that's all fairs in love and war. I'm happy to stick my stats up on. Alright, is Cat on?